Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosas Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend Pamandla ex-boyfriend Yalondi London that was deleted itolo laphana esentini ngemva kokuthi kube khona kudubulana kwashona abantu abathathu kani labane bona labayi-4 bayalulama esibhedlela. Kuthiwa Siphamandla kazange ashone same time Nkosi yami, ngalesikhathi bamphuthumise esibhedlela ubese uyathula. So people are saying ukuthi this guy bekacabanga ukuthi untouchable, acabanga ukuthi ngeke lakhe ilanga lize lifike. So abantu abaningi njena they don't feel sorry for Siphamandla. They are saying ukuthi umuntu yofela emsebentini wakhe, and the people are actually bringing or dragging uLondi London ngokuthi ngalenye ilanga bayakhumbula ukuthi kwamgifta angesibhamu awatrenda ngalesikhanani kade Siphamandla sibhamu as a gift kesana. And I don't know ukuthi lokuhlangana phi nokushona kwaSiphamandla, because uLondi London and Siphamandla they broke up a long time ago. Sonke siyakwati lokho. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.